We've come to the beautiful south coast to PECO, a world-leading manufacturer of model train tracks. We're going to find out how Hexagon helped them in every step of their engineering process. All aboard!
We are PECO, and we are one of the world's leading manufacturers of model railway track and rolling stock, line side components. We make everything that basically becomes part of that hobby of building model railways, and would like to think that it's a keen place in people's hearts. We've been going since the 1940s, and it started off as a very small company where they basically started making a very small coupling that hooks two pieces of rolling stock together. And it's expanded from there into a business that produces everything from concept right the way through to the final product and export. VISI is used throughout our manufacturing process, indeed from concept to the final tool being created. We have numerous licenses throughout many departments. We also use it to generate laser cut wood kits with texture upon them, and the instructionals that then feed how people would assemble this equipment. VISI's always been very good for us due to the fact it focuses on just what you need to do the job, whereas some other softwares that we had before that had caused some issues due to the high tolerancing of our components and the very deep nature of the machining processes that we have to undertake to achieve the geometry that we require in a tool. One of the key reasons that we have VISI within the environment, and indeed we've been customers with VISI for probably 17 years now, is because it is very reliable. We have an intimate knowledge of the systems throughout the generations of designers and tool makers here, which means that we can always offer assistance to more junior tool makers, and indeed we need assistance because everybody looks at things differently as well from time to time. One of the main reasons we use VISI is because of the complexity of our products. We need stuff to be correct first time, or at least with relatively little reworking. Also, we use a lot of very expensive equipment and cutters, and VISI historically has kept us safe throughout the entire process of generating these tools. We use VISI through most departments within the wider innovations department. That includes from design to producing laser wood kit cuts for the factory, to producing custom machinery for the factory, and then we obviously make our press tooling and mould tooling using it as well. The benefits of having VISI within the workplace are the integration between plot view, CAD/CAM, the ability to create surface translations for mould flow analysis and for laser ablation files, and many other integrated components all under one roof, which makes training, use of it a lot easier for all concerned. We wouldn't be able to put a number on it over 17 years, but we have saved a lot of time with VISI due to it having all the components that you require to take it from concept through to export all under one roof.